So next is the backbone. Many small bones joined together form the backbone or spine, and these bones are called vertebrae and singular vertebra. So one bone is called vertebra and the plural form is vertebrae. Hence the spine is also called the vertebral column. And vertebrae are like beads. Here small beads are there. These are like small beads, right? And through them runs a bunch of nerves called the spinal cord, because inside the center hollow space, empty space is there, and spinal cord is there. Through it is like a string runs through beads, right? The spine runs through the neck, back and hips. It is joined to the skull. The tiny bones of the spine are joined to each other. They are joined to each other by rubbery tissue that is called a cartilage. It helps the bones glide over each other, one over each other, and this lets us bend and twist our back and neck. Right, next is the rib cage. Right, 12 pairs of curved bones make up the rib cage, which protects the heart and lungs. These bones are strong but flexible. They move outwards when we breathe in to let the chest expand. 10 pairs of ribs are joined to the spine and the breastbone, which runs through the center of the chest, and the last two pairs are joined only to the spine. So here 12 pairs are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. 12 pairs are there and they make up the rib cage, and which protects the heart and the lungs, as you have all have seen in the diagram. These bones are strong but flexible. They can move. They move outwards when we breathe in. When we are breathing, we are expanding, lungs are expanding. So when we breathe in, to let the chest expand. 10 pairs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They are attached. They are joined to the spine and breastbone, which runs through the center of the chest. And the last two pairs, and this one, they are joined only to the spine, right? So here ribs not attached, breastbone, ribs, vertebrae. Next is the arms. One long bone runs through the upper arm. It is joined to the shoulder bone. This is called bone of the upper arm. This is shoulder bone, right? And the bone, it is joined to the shoulder bone. The forearm has two bones. Here bones of the forearm, two bones are there. They are also joined to the they join the bone of the upper arm at the elbow, this one, and they are also joined to the wrist bones. The wrist bones are joined to the bones of palm, and the palm bones are joined together to the finger bones. Each finger has three bones while the thumb has two bones, right? So the arm bones are there. Here it is connecting. Shoulder bone is there and bones of the upper arm, right? It runs through the upper arms. It is joined to the shoulder bone, and in the lower arm two bones are there. Here it is one elbow and here is bones of wrist. They are joined to the bones of the palm also, and the palm bones are joined to the finger. Each finger has three bones, and while the thumb has two bones. Next is legs. The thigh bone is the largest bone in the body, right? So dear students, thigh bone is the largest and it is called femur, Femur. Here it is not written. You can write here. It is called the largest, strongest bone of the body is thigh bone, that is called femur. It is joined to the hip bone, right? And the two bones of the leg. So it is joined. Thigh bone is joined to the hip bone and two bones of the legs. The leg bones are joined to the bones of the ankle. These leg bones are joined to the bones of ankle. Ankle, yes, which are joined to the leg bones are joined to the bones of the ankle, which are joined to the bones of the foot. The foot bones are also joined to the bones of the toes. The big toe has two bones and the other toes have three bones each. So like arms, in legs bones are also there, and the thigh bone is the longest, largest and strongest bone. It is called femur, and it is joined to the hip bone and the two bones of the leg. The leg bones are joined to the bones of the ankle, which are joined to the bones of the foot. Right, the foot bones are also joined to the bones of toes, and in arm bones they are joined to the palm and the wrist, and here toes are there. So the big toe has two bones and the other toes have three bones. Thank you.